AMCRART. You can make it. Basting. The basting stitch is used to temporarily hold layers of fabric together for easy removal later. Leave some thread at the beginning and not pull it through. This way you can hold layers of fabric together. This stitch controls the shifting of fabric during pressing, fitting, construction, and before stitching on the sewing machine. It's ready for the sewing machine. Remove basting after stitching. Invisible stitch. Before the beginning. Iron or hand press the fabric along of the seam. Make a knot at the end of the thread. Hide the knot under the seam. Slide the needle on the opposite side. Go across to the other side. Continue from side to side through top of the fold. The stitch should look like rungs on a ladder. Pull the thread every couple of stitches. And straighten the seam. The invisible stitch is often called by several different names, like ladder or slip stitch. This is an indispensable assistant if you need to manually sew layers of fabric, so that the stitching is not visible from the right side. When you get to the end, make a few knots. And hide thread in the fabric like here. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!